So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So on this channel, what I do basically is to share different money making opportunities that I've spotted, and most of the platform I share here are paid platforms where you need to invest a few amount of money and expect to benefit massively from such platform. Now, and the other platform that I also share basically here are platforms where you can spot opportunities, and when you can be able to stay tuned and make use of the moment that I share update here, you can be able to benefit from certain free update that I share. So right now I'm here to present a new video on another money making opportunity that was recently launched. So this platform, as you can see right here, the name of the platform is called royalcrown.click. So royalcrown.click is a newly investment platform, just like Transocean that I previously shared update about how you can be able to invest at different plans and be able to withdraw your money from the platform after a few days of investment. So now this particular one, I will be diving in to show you various plans that are available, and you can purchase according to your choice of investment. So always remember to invest what you can afford to lose. Do not have full confidence in any platform. So because they are not your bank account, they are just platforms initiated by someone like you who has hope to make profit out of it while you invest your money, and then they run their plans as they have programmed it. So now I'm on the registration page, so I'll be dropping the link in both the comment section and in the description of this video. Now you can be able to click on that link and it will bring you to this particular page like this. So this is how your page will look like. So immediately you are here, what you need to do is to fill out this form. It's very simple, it's pretty simple. So now when you've added your name here, the username you want to make use of, you insert your password, phone number, sorry, then you put your email, then finally you put your password that you want to create and make use of. So for the fact that I've already created an account, I'll be logging into my own to show you how the platform works and how you can be able to invest and start earning on daily basis. So now I'll be logging into my own account to show you the blueprint of the platform. So let me just log in. So as you can see, I'm already on my dashboard. So this is how the dashboard will look like. So if you want to join their Telegram group, simply use this option here. So once you sign up, it will pop up this platform link. So it's their Telegram platform. You can join their Telegram platform. It's a general group where they discuss everything about the platform. You can also get to know more about it when you get there. Now once you sign up, you'll be receiving 300 naira welcome bonus at a sign up. So once you are here, you can check out using the customer support service channel if you need any confirmation or if you have any issue relating to this platform. Now these are the tons of options you can likely make use of once you are here. So you can decide to deposit using this option, or withdraw using withdraw option, or check your earnings right here. So now to show you the plans, I've actually purchased a plan for myself. So as you can see, I got 5k plan for myself, and the expected earnings using this plan is 30,000 naira. So for the next 60 days, I'll be earning 30,000 naira with just 5k plan on this platform. So from here now, if I earn up to 1k, I can be able to withdraw. So the minimum withdrawal is 1000, and that means if you purchase 5k plan, you'll be withdrawing in 2 days. So in every 2 days, you'll be withdrawing 1k from this platform. So it's just amazing, like the other platform that I previously shared update about, which is Transocean. And I will also share other platforms that I have that is just like this one now. So now let's scroll through the plan options available. So these are the tons of plan options available. So previously, when it was launched, they had plan 1, plan 2, then it ranged from the 2k plan and above. So I don't know, I just logged in and discovered that the plan for 2k and 3k plan has been removed from the platform. Maybe they might decide to put it back with time, but if you can be able to go with this 5k plan, I believe your earnings will be more better, and you can be able to withdraw faster from this platform. So the same goes with this plan, which is 10k plan. So you can be able to earn higher when you go for any of this plan. So when you scroll, you can be able to see other available plans on this platform. So these are the list of plans that they have prescribed on this platform. So guys, that is how it works. So now when you are here now, you get to purchase a plan for yourself and start earning from there. So I'll be showing you how to get a plan purchased, and then how to get started fully and start earning on daily basis. So let's just dive more. So when you come down here, as you can see, I have list of options here. So when you are here, you can see active plans, the one that you've purchased, and your earnings, the current earning you have, and withdrawal option is here. The interface is pretty simple. So the user interface is very simple. So you can decide to use this setting option to carry out some functions too. So you can also see the setting function here. So that is how it works. So for you to log out, you can use this option here, and do many other things you wish to do on this platform. So now let me show you how you can get a plan purchased. So once you're here, you simply need to click on this buy now. So to purchase a plan for yourself, you click on buy now. It will load a new page for you. So once you're here, you simply need to click on this active plan, activate plan. So the plan will be earning you 5k 500 naira daily for 60 days. So in the next 60 days, you'll be earning 500 naira on daily basis. So and that will be quite massive. So a lot of persons have cashed out from this platform. So and I believe this platform will give you a good yield with time. So but have to be conscious of various platforms. Do not have full confidence like that. Always invest consciously. So but when we spot opportunities like this early, we will present before you, so that you take the advantage area before it will start giving you different stories. So now once you've purchased a plan, you come back and visualize it on your dashboard where it says active plans. So you can purchase more than one plan. So that is how it works. So when I click on active plans, I can be able to see this again here. So the pop-up will come here, so to show you the active plan available. So if you have more than one, it will line up right here. So in this list of plans that you've purchased, it will line up right here. So guys, that is how it works, and you can take this advantage earlier as I present this video to you today. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video if what I do basically interests you. I suggest you subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and also comment in the comment section. So when you like the video, YouTube will present the video as being useful to others, so that a lot of people can be able to see the video and benefit from it. So thank you for watching, and God bless you.